come into downward facing dog with your heels at the wall. So you're basically going to use the wall as feedback. Your feet are flat on the mat, but your heels are touching the crease of where the wall meets the floor. Now, set up in down dog as you would with your hands shoulder distance apart, your wrist creases parallel. If you're tighter to begin with in your shoulders, you're welcome to turn your hands out slightly. Now look back at your feet and make sure your feet are parallel so that when you gaze back, you can't see your inner heels. Now bend your knees a lot. Reach your chest back to your thighs. And as you reach your chest back to your thighs, keep the strength in your shoulders. Spin your inner arms away from the ears. Firm the outer upper arms in. And now keep pushing into the mat. See if you can get your hips back and up any amount. And then slowly press your heels to the wall without moving your chest. Slowly straighten your legs. Take your inner thighs again, spin them towards one another. And use your arm strength to lengthen your spine and waist. Now, if you're rounded in your lower back in downward facing dog, that's an indication that your hamstrings have not opened enough. So if that's the case, please bend your knees, get more length. Prioritize a length in the spine, and then secondary comes the stretch in the hamstrings. Take a final inhale here. As you exhale, look forward and then step or lightly hop. Take your feet to your hands.